I swear I'm gonna die one day because I push a button that I'm not supposed to. Welcome back to eBike Reviews and Adventures. This is Amanda, and today I'm taking the Flux Revi bike out for my first ride. So please give me a big ol' thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit that little bell so you get all the notifications. And without further ado, I'm just gonna be riding around the neighborhood, kind of checking this bike out. If you guys have been following the channel before, we did have some issues. Nothing real big, we just needed the battery to be rebuilt. That guy was not paying attention, that's rude. So we were having issues with the battery, so we had to send the battery back to the company and they rebuilt it for us, and now we get to actually take it out and get familiar with it, make friends with the Flux Revi bike and see how we like it. So I'm just gonna kind of ride around the neighborhood here for a few minutes. I'll get off and I'll show you guys what it looks like and some of the features that I like. So right now I'm in pedal assist 1. I'm only going about 8 miles an hour. So I'm gonna kick it up to pedal assist 2. Only getting up to about 10.8 miles per hour. So pedal assist 3, just pedaling, no throttle, getting it up to about 13.5. Kick it up again. Whee! So in pedal assist 4, I got it up to about 18 miles per hour, and I am now ghost pedaling. Ghosty. So I'm gonna kick it up to pedal assist 5. Just pedaling, still ghost pedaling, but I got it up to 21 miles per hour. Now throttle, yeah, still about 21 miles per hour, roughly. So that's not bad for a cargo bike. You don't necessarily need to go super fast on a cargo bike because, well, you're carrying cargo, precious cargo. So I think 20 miles, about 20, 21 miles per hour, that's a good speed. Now I just need to find somewhere to pull over. I'm gonna go over here. Borrow this neighbor's fence as a backdrop because the white, I think, will make this bike pop quite a bit. Ugh. I did put some new accessories on it too, so take a look at that. I think you can see that pretty decent. Before, we didn't have these backrests on or these footboards, so I recently put these on. So originally I was going to actually bring a measuring tape to kind of give you guys an idea of how much space there is here for someone to sit, but obviously this is more for children. If you've got 2 little kids, you'll have one back here holding on to their sister, their brother, and then the other sibling is holding on to this handle right here instead of having to hold on to mom or dad. So that's kind of a cool little feature. Something else that I thought was very thoughtful are these shields right here. They are sitting on the outside of the bike to protect the little feetsies from getting caught in any of this nonsense, you know. So that's pretty neat. I like that. I like the color too. It's not like a bright blue, it's not a dark blue, it's somewhere in between. It's a very calming, like, stormy blue. Oh, that's what I'm thinking of. Like right before a thunderstorm, that's the kind of blue that I'm seeing here. I like it. I also have a front basket. I'm not sure what, oh, I think these are like little cargo straps Dad put on there. Got this little dual headlight looking thing, which is something different. I kind of like that. That's kind of unique. Let's see. Oh, this, I don't actually remember if this came with the bike But it's a little cargo bag that fits perfectly here. Trying to figure out how it's attached. I'm not sure how it's attached. Okay. Yeah, so there's this flat, I'm trying to show, there's this flat piece right here, and I can see that there's some screws in there, so I think this is kind of screwed into the bike, so that's cool. So you don't have to worry about losing that little bag there. I like the placement of that too. I would much rather have a bag under my saddle rather than having a battery under my saddle. So I like that. I think that's cool. Cool, unique placement for a cargo bag. Okay, so up here in the cockpit, I have my, go down pedal assist to 0 so I don't accidentally take off, but I got my thumb throttle here on the left side. Then I have my buttons here. What did these do? Oh, okay. That's cool. So these are turn signals, a left and a right. So I hit the left turn signal, and then you'll see a left blinking arrow. And then if you want to turn it off again, you just hit the button, and then the blinking arrow goes away. So that's cool. I like that. I always thought it was kind of cool to have turn signals on a bike. I don't think anyone will really pay attention to a bike having turn signals, but it's still kind of a cool little feature. On the right side, I got a bell. And then what's the red button do? Oh no, maybe it's a self-detonator. I'm gonna blow up this bike. What does it do? What is it? Maybe it's like, oh, I don't know. I'm not sure what that red button does. I'm gonna have to look it up and see, because I'm not seeing anything on the display. Weird. Okay, pedal assist. I'm gonna do pedal assist 3 and take off. So I'd say overall this is a nice little cargo bike for being my first time riding on it. The motor's a little noisy, but that's not something I can't get used to. I can get used to that and it'll turn into white noise in no time. It feels a little heavy. It's not something I can't handle. Oh, I don't know if I can get close enough to this guy. I don't want to scare him. Hold on. Oh, I'm gonna try. That's a hawk. I've never seen a hawk this close before. Oh, he's gorgeous. I try to like get a little, ooh, a little squeaky. It makes it hard to be stealthy and sneak up. Oh, that's cool. I've never seen a hawk that close before. At least not out in the wild. Oh goodness, gotta stretch my back. Been sleeping weird. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. We're gonna be releasing the full review here soon. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We have all sorts of content for everybody. Make sure to hit that little bell too so you get all the notifications. And as always, I hope you guys ride responsibly and ride safe. And please have a fantastic weekend. And I will see you in the next video. Bye guys. So guys, off camera, I figured out what this red button does on my own. It does not make your bike explode, I promise. It's what you use to turn on your headlights. That's all. Bye guys.